Hello, what's up, real estate agents? This is the Agent Growth System with me, Sawan Kumar. As you are a new real estate agent, you are really excited. You really want to know what are the best social media tools or what are the best social media stuffs that you should be doing to be successful, to get successful in 2022. Well, we are already midway in 2022, and if you are planning to start with the job that you want to do, that the job that you want to love, the job that you have so many dreams associated with, well, this is the place. The four social media platforms that you must be on are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and there's this fifth one that is also very important, is LinkedIn. These five platforms are something that you cannot choose to ignore. You cannot be ignoring any of these. But yeah, you need to be very thoughtful, you need to be very conscious about the time that you spend on these social media platforms, because as a real estate agent, it is very important that you spend your time with your clients, you spend your time visiting the properties, you spend your time building connections. Yes, being on social media is important. You have to give quite a good amount of time on building up these platforms, because these platforms are going to be the source of getting the leads. Well, all the work that you would be doing as a next step would only happen when you have the leads, when you have the inquiries, when you have the buyers, when you have the sellers. And where do you get these leads? The key resource for the same is social media. So you have to be very, very, very active on social media, and at the same time be very thoughtful about spending your time, balancing your time between social media and doing the physical activities. You cannot just be active on social media and ignore all the other things: open houses, connecting with people, meeting them, visiting the properties, and so on. Neither can you be only doing the physical activities and not come online or not be online, because today, especially in the post-COVID era, most of the clients are looking for you online. And if you are not on these social media, if you are not where your clients are, if you're not where your buyers are, if you're not where your sellers are, you are gonna miss something very big. So today we are going to talk about the five platforms that I just spoke of that you should be on. Your presence should be there. You need not be posting every single day. You need not be, getting busy with creating YouTube videos and Facebook posts and creating Instagram reels. But you have to still spend substantial amount of time on these platforms till you reach a point where you have started your social media platform. So you have started you now have a consistent flow of leads. Until that point, you need to give more time maybe on social media platforms and a little less time on the physical activities that you are supposed to do, that you are expected to do, but you cannot be ignoring any of these. Yeah, and what also is very important is being consistent with both the aspects of your growth, that is being online and being offline. You have to be balanced and you have to be consistent with both. You cannot be choosing one at the cost of other. Yeah, so let's get started with what should you be doing, what would be the best strategy on all the five platforms that I just spoke about. Starting with Facebook, the first thing that you need to do is have a Facebook account, which I am sure you must already be having, and also be creating a Facebook page. Why is creating a Facebook page important? Well, the biggest reason is you are able to run ads, and in addition to whatever you can do on social media profile, on a Facebook profile of yours, you can be more professional, you can be more to the point, you can be more informational on a page than on your profile. So your profile is more of a personal thing, but your page is more of a professional thing. Yeah, your profile can also be a professional thing, but your page is only about that business, that company, that agency, whatever you are doing, whatever that page is about. So creating the page has its own objective, but creating a profile does not have that kind of an objective. It is used for both personal and professional purposes. So yeah, creating a Facebook page, I am sure you would be knowing it, but still if you don't, let me take you through the steps of creating a Facebook page. Let us go through it together. Create a Facebook page for ourselves and get started. This is the Facebook profile of mine, and if I go to pages, you'll see you have an option to create a new page over here. This is a list of the pages that I have. There's an option to create a new page. So simple. If I can write over here Sawan Kumar, a realtor from Arizona. Sorry, I guess we can put it up like this. Arizona realtor. Category could be real estate. You're an agent, you're a developer, an investment firm, commercial agency, whatever you are into. Then update that, add a small description, and create a page. Boom, you are now done. Now, what this page is also going to help you with is running ads. You cannot be running ads. I'm talking about running ads. I'm not talking about boosting a post or doing something else, but I am talking about running the ads. So you need to have a Facebook page to be able to run an ad campaign. So that is also the biggest reason, one of the biggest reasons to be having or to create a Facebook page. Yeah. We hit on create a page, and boom, the page is created. Now we need to update the profile image, banner image, which let's take you through on how you can quickly update a banner image for yourself. Now that we have this, we have an option to create a profile picture, which can be your personal profile picture, and a cover photo. How do you create a cover photo? Let's quickly check this out in a free tool that is called as canva.com. We select Facebook banner. Facebook covers is what we call it. Okay. So let's say you are a real estate agent. Let's choose any one of these. Let's choose this one. So this is our Facebook banner. Helping by commercial properties. So whatever you specialize in, you can put it up over here. Increase the size a little. Helping by commercial properties. So we are there. You can update your text, whatever you think is good. Here you can update your image. Let's see if I have something of myself. That's my son. Let's put this one up. Okay. So this goes here. You can update your text. You can have your website. So whatever your web address is, whatever your email address is, and whatever your phone number is. Once you're done, you can hit on share, download, and hit. So this is done. Blue. Now let's upload it quickly over here. Blue. This is all the YouTube code. This is the one that we just created. Cool. So this is how I add a profile picture. Let's have this as a profile picture. It could be your logo or it could be the personal you. You can update your phone number, send a code to activate it so that you can receive your messages on WhatsApp. I'll close it. Are you sure? Yeah, leave it. So here, boom, the page is ready. This is just a very basic thing. You can have a lot more options like create a username. You can create a username in the name of Sawan Kumar. Either it's Sawan Kumar or Arizona Realtor if it's available. Whatever suits you, you can create a page username and you can start posting. That's all that you need to do to get started with your Facebook page. Similarly, you can have an Instagram profile. I do not need to tell you about Instagram. You must already be having the Instagram app on your mobile. If not, then download the Instagram app, set up a profile and get going. So this is my Instagram profile, you'll see, and how I have it over here. If you see the profile, So that's my profile with the followers, with the posts that I consistently do. So that's the Instagram profile. Then what you need to do is get on to LinkedIn. On LinkedIn too, you can have a personal profile and a company page. Go ahead and start with both of them. I don't think I need to tell you how to do this because you must already be knowing this. And then there's another one, that is YouTube. Go get started with a YouTube channel for yourself. Why YouTube? Is because YouTube is another Google. So if somebody is searching for you on Google, he might also be searching for you on YouTube. Yeah, like let's say homes for sale in California. If somebody is searching for this, you need to come on the top, right? Something informative. Your videos or your content can be, solving the biggest problems or answering the biggest questions of your prospective client. You do not need to be creating hundreds and hundreds of videos or posts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 posts would be sufficient, as long as those posts or those videos are really informative, are solving the problems, are solving the biggest problems of your prospective client, are answering to the biggest questions that your prospective clients are asking. Then you are done. You would be getting views, you would be getting comments, you would be getting leads by just posting those. And why you would be getting those leads is because you have niched down to a level where very few people are posting content. So if you have posted a few content that is extremely relevant, that is extremely good, that is extremely of help, that is of extreme help to the users, you are going to get the views. And if you get the views, you are going to get queries and questions and leads as well. So having a profile on LinkedIn, having a profile on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok is really important and should be your go-to strategy of 2022. You have to, or you should be present everywhere, wherever the client is, wherever you never know where your next client might come from. And that is the reason why you should be everywhere. Now, you might not be very active on all the platforms. It might be, it is quite possible that you resonate with Instagram more, or you resonate with LinkedIn more, or you resonate well with YouTube more. So you are more active on YouTube or Instagram or LinkedIn, but less active on some other platforms. That is absolutely fine. That is absolutely fine, as long as you are super active on one or two platforms and a little less active on the other platforms. It is absolutely fine. It is important to be active on social media. It is important that you are spending a good amount of time on social media, building up your social media presence. So this has to be your go-to strategy for 2022. And in the next few videos, we'll be talking more about or how exactly should you be building up your Facebook profile or your Instagram profile. We'll be talking a lot more in depth about the same, on how you can grow on Instagram or on Facebook or on LinkedIn and YouTube. We'll be having separate videos for all of these. So this was a quick or a little about your to-do list, I would say, for the new real estate agents out here listening to me. So go get started with this very basic thing, but really important. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.